Alright, folks. Shower time is over. And cooking time. Spatchelor Batchula time has begun. I'm gonna put this in. I think the rice is ready to go. That might really work. Sort of. I'll take it. There we go. Yes. 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 Alright. Salad time. Went to the gym and bought some stuff. I need stuff for salads. Don't need tofu. I don't need curry for salads. But everything else. And tomatoes. So, what do we got? Got some carrots. Get those nuts. What's that? Oh, those are other peanuts. Oh, wait. A salad bowl. Honestly, I think that salads are like really underrated. Just because you can fucking put anything in them. And I'm just realizing now, if I wanted to, I can cut shit up here and not over there, where I have more space. This is a fucking revelation. How about that? These are the things that I realized on my own. Couldn't believe it. Alright. Let's give it a go. Cooking down to sit. Fucking idiot. Sitting down to cook. It's a massive success. And so now we have most of our salad. Creative minus the chicken that I grilled. Stay. Alright, good. Yes. Alright, now we gotta grill chicken. Which means I'm gonna move the camera over where? I guess over here. That kind of worked. Miraculously. Can't believe it. 9%. Alright, great. Gotta cook quick. Don't have time. Fortunately, I think we have enough. That is. But not all of us do. Some of us don't have much time, which means you gotta make the best of every second you've got to live, folks. And part of that is eating healthily. Which, honestly, is one reason why salads are good. And also, honestly, I think that salads get kind of a bad rap. It's almost like there's a conspiracy theory or something. Where we're like, nah, the fucking salad is like, shit's gross. Shit tastes like nothing. No, the salads you make taste like nothing. Salads that I make are fucking baller. And really, I think it's kind of due to the fact that a salad, what we call a salad, we're super focused on leafy greens. I mean, I've got nothing against leafy greens, but like, Jesus, there's something interesting in there, you know? Good, done.
Gotta watch it, keep it cool. Don't let it burn, follow rules. It's the season, fire in the pan.
All right, folks, got a nice flare up there, huh? But I'll blow it in the bowl. All right. So I already threw some lemon into olive oil. And now my kind of shitty salt on there. But, as ever, gotta throw some of this spectacular fucking tzatziki sauce on it. Which I have to make a new batch of. Because I'm almost out. Yeah. It is delicious, but I might be too much. Alright, so got all of this stuff in here. The corn is going to be like I've had it before, it's good, but it is pretty sweet. So, you know, like look out for that, I guess. But yeah, like all the like leafy greens, man, get other shit in there. Just like stack the fucking thing. It's like pure excellence and deliciousness. So let's eat up. Mm-hmm. Man, that sauce is so fucking good. So it's salad.